My name is Will. I'm a graphic designer here at Bear Fox Marketing. Today we're going to talk about brand guides and why they're so important. Branding guide is important because it lets the designer know the personality or voice of your company. You want your brand to be used consistently in all the elements of your brand, so like your logo and your color. You want someone to look at something and easily recognize it, like a Coca-Cola ad or Pepsi or things like that. When you're thinking about your logo and your colors, you want to think about, is it going to be on apparel? Is it going to be on the web? Is it going to be on print? And all those things take into account the colors and even the shapes that you use within your logo. There's a million different fonts that you can use, and you want to primarily pick two that work well together. You don't want a landing page or a flyer or anything like that with 2 or 3 or more fonts. You want to stick to 2 that are brand recognizable. It makes it more eye-catching. Your imagery emulates the voice and personality of your brand. A lot of brands like to go with the animation that's kind of popular right now. Some like to use lifestyle photography, some like to use a lot of people. If you have a t-shirt company, for example, you might want to highlight your products and people wearing your products more than illustration based. If you are a marketing company, you may want to convey that personality using illustration. So it's just a balance of your brand and the messaging you're trying to portray. You want to have your logo ready, your color palette ready, your typography ready. Pass that all to the designer and watch your company come to life.